For the last 10 years, we've been treating Markdown as the gold standard for content delivery. But the team behind the super popular open design project, which Richard recently did a full deep dive on, just developed a new tool called HTML Anything that makes the case that Markdown is dead and the actual gold standard of the agent era should be a single file HTML. And I kind of agree, because the problem with Markdown is that it's visually flat and terrible for multiple publishing platforms. If you want to turn a database export or an engineering runbook into a web prototype, a slider deck, or an inline styled rich text post, you end up doing a ton of manual formatting. HTML Anything solves this by building an automation layer over the AI coding tools you already use. Architecturally, the tool functions as a state machine that bridges raw structured data with browser-ready components. You pass it a dataset, whether that's a Markdown file, a CSV, or a complex JSON payload, via an internal server-sent events stream. The model compiles the entire asset down into a single standalone HTML file with optimized inline CSS. And the tool then streams this code in real time into a sandboxed iframe using a virtual DOM diffing mechanism to update the preview smoothly without full page reloads. The tool packages 75 composable skill templates pre-configured for 9 distinct deliverable surfaces, ranging from interactive dashboards and landing pages to hyperframes, motion video components. And because the entire application state and visual layout are completely self-contained in a single DOM tree, you can export the output instantly as a high-res image or a PDF or raw code that works anywhere without dependencies. So I definitely recommend checking out this project. Because at the end of the day, Markdown was built for simple static text, but when your data source is an LLM that can generate fully functional UIs on the fly, generating a self-contained HTML as your primary build artifact just makes total sense. If you want to stay up to date with the latest open source tools and engineering insights, be sure to subscribe to the BetterStack channel.